Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preserving anything you need. Export bookmarks, save passwords, and sign out of Chrome Sync so data doesn't remain in the cloud. Once done, close every Chrome window and stop Chrome. EXE in Task Manager to avoid locked files. Make sure you have admin rights. Without them, removal will fail. Now open Control Panel or Settings to the Apps list and locate Google Chrome. Start the uninstall process and choose to delete browsing data when prompted to remove local copies. You now handle the stubborn leftovers. Manually delete the Chrome user profile folders in %localappdata %Google/Chrome and %appdata %Google to remove extensions, caches, and profiles. Next, check Program Files and Program Files, x86, and remove any Google or Chrome folders. Carefully edit the registry. Remove Google Chrome keys under hkcu/software/Google and hklm/software. You finish by rebooting the system so all locks release and Windows refreshes installed apps. After restart, run a full anti-malware scan and verify your default browser settings point elsewhere. Remove any Chrome shortcuts, scheduled tasks, or leftover services. If Windows still offers Chrome or UC errors, restore the registry backup you made or use a system restore point to rewind. If an installer blocks removal, run it as admin or in safe mode to complete the permanent uninstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.